If you're left-handed and want crochet to finally make sense, I'd love to help you. Hi, it's Sandy from Southpaw Crochet Studio. I struggled to learn how to crochet until a left-handed cousin showed me how. That was over 50 years ago, and I've been crocheting ever since. In this video, I'm going to show you 2 ways to make a slip knot. Try them both and choose the one that feels most natural to you. The slip knot is how you are going to start most of your crochet projects. If you're ready to learn, grab a hook and some yarn and let's get started. I'm using a 5mm crochet hook and a medium weight yarn, but you can use whatever you have on hand. For the first method, hold the tail end of the yarn in your left hand. Place the yarn across 3 fingers of your right hand with the tail end in front, leaving about a 4 to 5 inch tail. Wrap the working yarn, that's the yarn that's attached to the ball, around your index finger. Cross the working yarn over the tail end and hold it in place with your thumb. Take the tail end and wrap it around your index finger, creating a loop in front of the loop that's already there. Hold it in place with your thumb. Now take the back loop, lift it up over the front loop and off your finger. Place your crochet hook through the loop and gently pull the tail end to tighten. For the second method, hold your yarn with the tail end on the left and the working yarn on the right. Wrap the yarn around your index finger of your right hand, forming a circle. The tail end of the yarn will be at the back. Slip the loop off your finger and grab the tail end of the yarn close to the circle. Pull it through the circle, forming a loop. Now place your crochet hook through the loop and gently pull the tail end to tighten. This is the method I like to use. Your slip knot should slide easily on your hook. There's no correct method, only the one that feels right to you. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have, a thumbs up lets YouTube know it's useful to other left-handed crocheters. And if you'd like more clear left-handed tutorials, subscribe and turn on the bell so you don't miss a new video.